The fuse shortens as the days go by. Chased by time, trying to manifest what is timeless. Sometimes fighting the wrong enemies, the wrong battles, orders given by a corrupted mind. What is right and what is wrong inevitably comes into question because of course it would. When is fun experience and when is it a distraction? Should you stay at home to edit and grind and work, or do you live and absorb? The stories you choose to tell and the ones that you forget, the manuscript you forge and the ones who will follow it. How long is the road between what you have to do to be where you need to be? Pieces to this puzzle fill the gaps to my identity. And a fragment of the soul speaks. You get rewarded but what you truly want to do. And truth must take the necessary time to take form. If this foundation doesn't come first, then all subsequent efforts are futile. Allow your pursuit of wonder to drive you. Your time is valuable, and you must yield it in your actions to define your steps and resurrect your destiny. Stories told. Our mark, our example, our existence, and the story we choose to tell.